Hi everybody. I've been asked by a growing number of pupils to do some voiceover of some of the short video clips I've been publishing on the pupil YouTube channel. This is a right turn at a traffic light junction at Cobridge traffic lights. It's actually still on a test route. It's been on there for quite a number of years. It's still not actively being used on a test route for Cobridge. You'll see in the video now, but it actually in a short moment or two it'll loop round again. I'll do a little short commentary of what I think of it. What makes this quite an interesting video is you've got two sets of chevrons with broken light lines, and if you remember looking at your knowledge, we can enter and we can cross a broken white line, even a chevron, if it's safe and if it's necessary. And I emphasize that word necessary. In between some of the chevrons, we've got a right hand filter lane for a right hand turn just after the school, just before Machine Mart on our left. Got a couple of lane changes to do. What makes this more interesting, we've got no box junction actually on the junction itself between the lights. There's no secondary traffic lights, and because there's no secondary traffic lights, there's no green filter either arrow either, so we're giving way to oncoming traffic if we're turning right. So we'll let this video play, and I'll do a bit of a voiceover when it laps round. Anybody wants to get in touch regarding any of these videos, you can just get in touch with me in the usual way. Okay, so we're heading up the hill. You can see the lights in the distance. Effective observations are massively crucial here. You're coming up to the filter lanes in a moment. You've got the chevrons there, going over the crossing there. You've got a right hand filter lane here, making it really good effective observation in the right mirror. When I get level with it and gone past halfway, I'm going to pop a right signal on there, just half a turn of the wheel here just to start moving with a signal into lane 2. Got nobody behind me currently, so I'm going to cancel the signal. I'm going to make more effective observation. I'm going to reapply that signal. It's a separate maneuver. Didn't need to go into that chevron there. Creeping up, a little bit of gas, a little bit of clutch, getting the car straight, getting the wheel straight, give myself a good distance from the vehicle in front. There's no need to get any closer than that. It's about a car and a half distance. I'm just securing the car, popping it into neutral. I'm just observing traffic flow. As I mentioned earlier, there's no secondary traffic lights or box junction here, a white one or a yellow one. So it's offset a little bit. So most people, depending on who gets there first in the centre of the junction, it's usually a near side to near side. Now you can see the second bollard to your right. Once I get there, I'm going to put a bit of a turn in, quite an aggressive turn, just to bring the car a little bit round to the right. Then I'll straighten the car up and then I'll straighten the wheel, and that'll give me a slightly better view. In all fair honesty, the vehicle in front's done quite a good job of it. Traffic's light, I've applied my right signal. I'm just making sure I can proceed. Yeah, I'm using my left knee, looking out of that right window. I'm just tracking the curb with my left knee. Hope people find that useful. Anybody got any questions at all, feel free to be in touch. Thank you.